Sago, aguego. I'm Carlene from Pine and Egg, and I just want to share a little bit of crock pot cooking. Winter's coming. It's a good time for soups and stews, and there's so many different things you can do in the crock pot. You can prepare it in the morning, turn it on, let it cook on high for 3 hours, or you can actually let it go all day at a lower thing. It gives it much more flavor. So today is lasagna. You need 3.5 pounds, or about 3 pounds of ground beef. You cook it in a big frying pan. You'll need these utensils. And you will mince up your garlic and onion. Cut up your green pepper. After your ground beef is cooked, add those onion, garlic, and green pepper and cook it a little bit. Then you put 1 thing of sauce in there. The other ingredients that we're going to use is we take this pan spray and we spray our crock pot just so it doesn't stick so much. You will be using mozzarella cheese, 2 packages, ricotta cheese, the no-cook lasagna pasta, and 2 jars of that. So the recipe's on there. Do your prep in the morning, put it on. If you get busy during your day, you'll still have an awesome supper. So you'll have lasagna for supper. That's all for today. Anagi Wahi.